everybody. This is our first time with Carter in the video. He is recording. Put it toward me. So I'm gonna be teaching him, and he's gonna record me doing a burnout with this thing.
Done.
This is his first time. Dad's sleeping. Be sure. So point it over there, Carter. Okay. Now point it back at me. Okay. Now I'm gonna do it. Okay. Do that again.
Okay.
You just stare at it.
I never stopped it yet. Should I stop it now?
No, not yet. No.
No, can I stop it?
Okay, you're gonna now press pause button. Okay, so bye. Now press the pause. Nope.